I'm up here thinking something was, it's the fuse, look. That thing in there is spinning. Yeah, man. Ha ha. Ooh, honestly, man, it was the fuse the whole time. Wow. Whole time it was a fuse, baby. Hey, baby, I got it working, baby. Get you a man that can fix a car. Just in case, you know, you get stuck on the road, you need your tire changed or something like that. But it's working. That's the AC. I'm gonna cut the AC off, see if I can get the heat jumping. Oh, look at the heat. Oh, it's about to kick. It's about to kick like Jackie Chan. I'm like, let me try the fuses before I try to take something else apart and something be wrong. It was the fuse the whole time. You see that thing in there spinning? That's the part that I got from Washington. I put it in the other day. Man, I'm so happy. Now I'm trying to get my radio power on. Let's get that thing fixed. Oh, wait, it was the fuse, baby. It was the fuses, baby. Don't blow your fuse, all right? Protect your energy. 2023, it's your boy. I'm so happy I got it working. That he gonna come through now with that heat rock. Yeah, that joint, this joint be laying loose. Ah, look at your boy out here fixing stuff, man. I get it from the OG. My pop used to fix cars back in the day.